أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين mbal be kontona al tolla nal konton la famo keta nata le jang just 1 hour mbo wala kala le jang or maybe 40 minutes because kata do kola lafta kula kachala jam mi yalanko is a threatening to our national security and internally security mi yalanko APRC ko nyulungol kono ibila kulubaliala ani malbalia mafa APRC dingol de APRC militants or sala ko to matol fo because atol man diamu follow mbel executive la minimi alon ko be malbaliala be kulombaliala mini kam to ko fode chor mini kam to ko samsar ibu jallo fatumata jahumpa sise ani juma man dudu jata mo intate dabula la je man mayor kolita mo ex mayor kolita mo intate dabula la je bari ñu min alfal bin yalon ko alfa kulom balolom alfal min yalon ko man bala faso to gambia itul man gambia la bataje de itul ko ibe kulom bal yala fola bari tol fala min amba kulom bal ya fole ime fangol long iman kulu wala nan ko mbe diamo tariyande la jandamandi mbe fatmata jahum pala sise la audio play la fatmata jahum pala sise la audio nim pareta awo bala ay tretni min ke je kafoko yelobe bonna gambia le ni ko ba I22 ka falling ni ko bo falinna yelo bo na gambiele alanga la moy wala folo
Sampo ko es today ko dem nañ Jammeh Foundation Hospital Peace Hospital bi change brilliant maybe this opayep si mandinka la ko wa waaw hina all of audience yeneen poli duñ ko mëna diga bu baax but léegi mu cabaxal ci anglais so di nga am a sense of li mo wax and the last.
I don't want.
Kan mo nga wax ngay binda history o ngay narrate history nga ne di ba léegi loolu lañ fa fekka through Harding Gay ñuy sampa di concrete danga change name. Yes, like Dudu Fall nañ ko daaneel sampa bu ees tuddee ko dem nañ Jammeh Foundation Hospital Peace Hospital bi change name bi Yaya Jammeh xaalisi foundation am fundraising am bu mu def ak sympathizers yi ñu raise that hospital samp ko from scratch tuddee ko foundation am ñu ñëw rek wéccu ko yëpp ñu ngi obsessed with Yaya Jammeh. They are obsessed with Yaya Jammeh. They am obsession on Yaya Jammeh. Depuis bi mu demee ba léegi liggéey leen dara Yaya Jammeh. Projects yi ñu fi def yëpp yoon yëpp luñ fekka la fa. Yes, because the government continues. ñun tam bi ñëwee Yaya Jammeh ñëwee dafa fekkoon dara mu continue ko implement ko. And that's why you have the Combo Coastal Road. He came up with his revolutionary ideas. Ne buguma ben halal di joge alum xaare di ñëwee school Gambia. I will make sure that my administration dinañ samp school yoo xam ne few kilometers nga joge pour dem fa. Then mu came up with the senior secondary school and high schools. Ka nekk am nga access foofu doo nekkaati si dex gi sa baay di la yóoni nga ñëw dëkk si bàyyi Fatou Jahumpa 67 Hagan 139 Boxbar Road su ko defee ñoom lañ béy yëpp si at bi ñu ëmba di saaku gerte yi dugub yi mboq yi indi ko baay bi jox leen ko di sërica yes loolu moo fi xewoon Yaya Jammeh génne ko nga enu taabul ak bag mu génne ko hospital bi noonu health care noonu Obama care am na but Yaya Jammeh mu ko njëkkaa def Obama and that was a vision of the revolution. The infrastructure today li ñoo waxee nii internet bi yaa ngi nekk ba United States California so sa yaaya ngi nekk ba Kantora o mu nga kër ngeen Sanjal mu ngi wax yow si WhatsApp Yaya Jammeh ko indi and he brought it up to project bi dem to 4G whereas Pura mu ngi fi ñu ngi companies ñu ngi advertise 4G te 4G amut Gambia 3G la ñoo use waaye Yaya Jammeh moo ko fi indi nga ñëw ci road construction si ba léegi loolu lañ fa fekka through Harding Gay ñuy sampa di concrete Yaya Jammeh ko fi njëkka def mooy projet yi Banjul yëpp and other projects and the bridge the Senegambie bridge infrastructure la nga ñëw ci agriculture dem na ba mechanized agriculture ñëpp amee béykat ñëpp amee tracteur di béy ñu ñëw jël tracteur yëpp séddoo ko nga ñëw ci transportation boss yi dañ naan ñëw moto yi dem di yóbbu xale yi ni ci transportation yomba ba bugga dee nga ñëw ci économie mu stabilise ko that was all part of the vision 2016 bi ak 2020 yëpp vision am la woon it was a revolutionary vision because dafa ñëwoon muy transform real transformation infrastructure yow H22 daaneel nañ fi lifin bi waxuñ dara te loolu monument la it's under a purview of a national arts and culture waaye tey Hassoum Ceesay dafa fàtte sax kanaa Yaya Jammeh Hassoum Ceesay seetlu ngeen ko Hassoum suy wax sa history Gambia political history Gambia daf dee topp Yaya Jammeh because time boobu ñoom ñëpp ñu ngi fogoon la coalition bi Ousainou Darboe moo ko moom so ñëpp a ngee daw rek ci oncle Ousainou di wane hypocrisie kan moo nga wax ngay binda history o ngay narrate history nga ne di first republic président bi Jawara la nga topp Yaya Jammeh as second republic ba pare nga ñëw ne and now Adama Barrow am na ku ko mus def first weeri koor bi gars yi dem State House dama tiit te di seen ñoom ñooñu ñoo daan ñëw forcé ba jël comité Banjul bi nekk fa ne ñoom ñoo ko doxal muy ñëw di nuyoo di wax history dañ fi daan ñëw lii loolu suñu maam yi ñoo ko dooroo ñoom moo di jaxumpa di dem ci tubaab bi indi ko loolu.
Sekou Fatty, Sweden has already qualified, so today is not a game for us. I will respond to you for that. Sweden has already qualified. We qualified because of Finland lose and Russia also lose. So we have already qualified.
Ba ñoom pa apply job ba ñoom imam ka léegi ak ñoom pa Buram John gannaaw bi si lañ si boole Ahmadiyya yi ak Greater Banjul area time Yaya Jammeh mu ne leen extend leen ko ñu boole si Greater Banjul area. That is why I just some journalists like Demba Jawa, they want this is not an only Banjul affair.
Yes, Tima, yes, King Ras, yeah.
Then they said I remember King Ras. Because do one Julit, while more one Buri Banjul.
I remember.
Tradition moy dox ba legi. Anyway, coming to that, koku ñew ne gërem Jawara. Ba pare ne ñu ngi laa gërëm Adama Barrow fàtte na Yaya Jammeh ne président la woon te ñu naan séddoo $600,000 $700,000 $1 million maa ngi toog nañ change waaye bés bu ñoo change aj bi yéen waa Banjul ñun dinañ jóg de keroog deret dina tuuru nag Banjul na ngeen pare ñun ñëpp nañ leen pare.
So fii laa bëgg ngeen déglu deret dina tawlu gam Banjul.
Gis ngeen ni génne woon bi ngeen yóbbu da protest letter to the EU and ECOWAS te ESAFA lañ leen a bugg a yeb yéen Banjul li Banjul affaire waaye the purpose was ñi dëkk Banjul kilifa Banjul dem di seeti buur Banjul because du woon julit teñ aj bi yéen waa Banjul ñun dinañ jóg de keroog deret dina tuuru nag Banjul na ngeen pare ñun ñëpp nañ leen pare.
Fatoumata Jahumpa Ceesay dama wax ne danga duul is it true King Ras is it true King Ras? Yeah, but King Ras is Jan, King Ras, the last name is Jan because he was living in Bakau one time, King Ras was living in Bakau one time. Yeah, oh, definitely. Wow. Hanga yalonte Fatou Jagne wol dol nte buka diam wala kola wol mu batari ngol lati. Fatmata Jahumpa Ceesay, Sam Sarr, Fodé Chor, Ibu Jallow, yella dega ngenawa ak Rambo Jatta, yella dega ngenawa deguma Fabakary Tombong mu wax de. Waaye di wane deret dina tuuru Gambia su ñooy change tuuri aj loolu dul la dangeen a fen loolu munu leen ko su ma mbokki APRC doomi APRC ñoo xam ne dangeen nopp Yaya Jammeh dangeen bugg a Yaya Jammeh si seen xol ñii seen personal interest la ñoo use di leen jël di leen bugg a def firewood. Fatoumata Jahumpa Ceesay yow bitiree nga Yaya Jammeh fii ñaata yoon yow Fatoumata Jahumpa Ceesay yow ñaata yoon nga sàcca secret APRC yow bu ko jox ko UDP di oncle Ousseynou bi ngay wax nii du loolu oncle Ousseynou boobu noonu sa oncle sa real oncle la tang daan sàcca suñ secret yi nga yóbbul ko Ousseynou soo bu ñu fenal fii nee da nga bëgg a APRC militant si APRC lay waxal alkana song ñu nu yàlla use ñim mo useless ringol min yalon koy man educate imam fen soto e kungol kono iman jiki fenna pour kodido mo domma ñunu ba enjoy kan APRC militant so fon tefon altke mire ñami fa kan jakalle ñim Fatoumata Jahumpa Ceesay wol ñunu bela tole yala i bela nafika yala iman karang fente kungo kono natara man ke Yaya Jammeh ñunu nenata place marala Gambia kono ñunu menata place marala Gambia kono namanke Yaya Jammeh because Yaya Jammeh i karante man karang danko ya akano doron aka place o dilale fake kano ni fake kano tandala doron aka place o dilale wala na ñunu dol ye fenko soto ika fa ñadile ya place o mara Gambia ñunu mañana hani Ceesay bungo fo marala Gambia hani Ceesay bungo ñunu mañana ka mara Gambia ika Fatoumata Jahumpa Ceesay ndako danga fen danga dul ben wa Banjul du pare te daaneel nañ fi lifin liberty statue bi APRC dingol ñunu ka fan yale faaliye nit ñunu ba toña kan toña ya APRC ko li mañana ke fale but liberty wo soldier unknown soldier the unknown soldier liberty statue we felt it down. What happened? That was the biggest project of Yaya Jammeh. It's only Yaya Jammeh who knows the meaning of that soldier, the unknown soldier with a child. That was the biggest secret of Yaya Jammeh. They felt it down. What happened? What do? nothing i kanal bula ku kono soma atol lebe fala albal bijela al fal bijele itol be sila suo kono ya tol pus itatarra nyato de ibe sila suo kono ya pus pour atol eta fa APRC dingol mbal nyinin kala kunu nga nyum fana programme to bimba fola jam fana APRC dingol ñunu min kal fale nga yaya jamme kanule nga yaya jamme kanule nga yaya jamme kanule be 4 good years jumale nene tiketo sang ikale ko from Fabakar Tombong Jatta to the last Sinkumba jumale wo ñunu be kono jumale nene tiketo say ko ikale ko ngata weekend on la Equatorial Guinea ngata yaya jamme jubele ni yaya jamme kanu atol APRC dingol nga ñunu ka alal fo ñunu ka ñun na bang ñunu ni la ñim diamo be amul ñaasi wol fenke wol ini la ñim diamo be kodo be bulude ika kodo soto jumale nene ye boy fongoto ñunu be kono jumale nene ye boy fongoto ikon kata Equatorial Guinea le yaya jamme be kideri ngele ngata nga mako nga si nay kacha nga na patila ku kacha APRC ñunu yaya jamme abandon le kabrin on the 17th of January 2017 ñuni yaya jamme abandon wolungol la kabri yaya jamme bulata o pleno konra tita dron ajita Equatorial Guinea abanta ñunu be sasari ne man kendiya fanmata man malay wa danga dul danga fen danga mew danga poop ben hedu am Gambia suñ change à 20 fi naka lañ ko de waxe sa July 22nd monument suñ ko change dara du am change len fi Makati Square lan ngeen def dara change nañ daaneel nañ Liberty Yaya Jammeh secret li finam bi daaneel nañ ko defu leen si dara doo leen si mun dara Jammeh hospital bi foundation hospital bi change nañ tour bi munu leen si dara léegi loo leen mun a def ngeen a wax ne bii mooy last ko suñ ko laalee te dinañ ko laal ñu seet la ngeen a mun yéen doo leen dee rus yow Fatoumata yow amuloo yërmande si sa yaram bi xanaa yéen déggu leen nit yi ñoo xam ne Yaya Jammeh family yam ku papa mbokal bay reyna ki Haruna Jammeh ñooñu doomam yi ñu ngi jooy bés bu nekka reyna kooku sister Masi Jammeh reyna ko ñooñu seen family ñu ngi jooy ñu fàtte avec yeneen victimes yi sax ñu wàññi ku nekk family am own bloodam Suleiman Jammeh koo xam ne mooy rakki Yaya Jammeh jël na ko fi reyna ko dara génnu si kooku family am jabaram mu fa jabaram mooy duma dee bëgg a wax tuuri jabaram because jabaram dafa ma respect torop kooku Yaya Jammeh jël jabaram non bu leen tax nit yi Yaya Jammeh waxul ñun dégguma Yaya Jammeh muy wax ma Yaya Jammeh moy ako diamu andum nte nga dino lonne okay kayro nata mideni motema haniya mun kuriyala kada ikana ala ko ikana wofo woma la secret ledi bari Suleiman Jammeh mo jama ma longde Suleiman Jammeh Yaya Jammeh la poison janga yafa mo bugo tafo Yaya Jammeh la poison janga yafa ala muso alkalati nga diamu way alkalati nga diamu de atul Rambo Jatta wol Fatoumata Jahumpa Cissé Samsar wo mu wulolti wo ka tol fa diam kensongol nal ka keli sin Samsar la wuliya fo damma Samsar ko damma lefo wuliya fo damma Samsar ko damma wo kabrata wuluta wulola wulu Samsar wulol le dente ya wulu wulol ya akulu wulol ya domorndi wulol ya susundi akata wuloti atafuna take whisky ti akatu wuliya fo dammal fo Samsar de man Samsar sa Yaya Jammeh kanu ay tambatol APRC militant tol laban mané fi faté heju fi de Samsar kañ la Samsar joggé Yaya Jammeh 2014 Samsar génné book mu ne Yaya Jammeh moo gën a nekk ku bon xamul leen ne Samsar bukkaam boobu noonu book boobu noonu Samsar book boobu noonu dimbale na génne Yaya Jammeh Gambia because nit yi read nañ ko nit yi gom nañ lu binda si bukkaam bi kooku dina bëgg a Yaya Jammeh yéen APRC ñu bëgg a Yaya Jammeh alkana song ñu ni yaal use kalke isan soti kalke locality kal mala because ikal tol man karang itol fongo man karang ikatul mankarang itol fongo mankarang imalon dunia kata nyamin ibere interest le noma sain kodo bantale ibuka kodi soto ibuka fen soto nko ñunu mun nafikol le to wulollo ni Yaya Jammeh kanu ala tol APRC militant tol ala fongo ñinin kabam ñunu ko Yaya Jammeh kanu le andu ñunu Yaya Jammeh kay APRC parti Yaya Jammeh balla moy kanne de ni ñu yete kanu inene invitation o dilal fay ko Yaya Jammeh kanana ne lafta na la janal Equatorial Guinea ni na si ni kacha ndol mi yalan ko kunun nen jointa UDP we take it upon ourselves, pay our ticket, go and meet our party leader, because we've never met with him, sit with him and chat. But we deem it necessary. Okay, now we join UDP, we have to go to our party leader. And we did that. We went there and sat with him and chat with him. If these people loves you, as they are saying, they're claiming that they loves you, Mirambo Jadalamba, Fatmata Jahumpa, Samsar, Fabaka Tombonjata, Dudu Ja, Atondi, Fode Chot. Ni kanu Yaya Jammeh ni kanu tonya to Yaya Jammeh kana ke toleti ngalo imu toleti de bar nyin tole nyin do ikane ku itole be la diam kensangol la nyunu be la diam kensangol la ibe July 22nd ko atondi ay 22nd iba to falina by force kuta bolaje Yaya Jammeh ngoy mu tolelti nyunu ni kanu nu tendi be ba formulale ye creation oke 4 years inena ma plan katete jube nyunu ko tete kanule ite fo yamre ite kam tol ko dinningo Yaya Jammeh ikam tol ko dinningo be tole yari ngi kam to ko denano nyunu bulu ibe ayo nene ni fidi mbotulo ke da kono doron ye jele nyunu len kanu nyunu mal lafila ni nyunu laftela wallahi billahi ibine jube la ni nyunu ye kanunu ibine jube la Equatorial Guinea le ineneta sila ibe wuru kan Gambia all the time, ibe wuru kan telel kono, ibe wuru kan internet all the time, inene man ne jube ni ñu ye kanunu ñing lamin tambawol e wotole ba sonko wol numba aba manerin ko wulo ni woli ye kanunu ibe wolbe tubabu lule. It's very easy for them to go to Equatorial Guinea. Why, if they love you as what they're calling themselves that they love you, why nobody tried? They're using your name to build their party. It's no more yours. From on the 12th of July, APRC you are out of Gambian history, Yaya Jammeh. You know that very well, because you are not going to have you cannot be a party leader for APRC. You can never be a presidential candidate. Fabaka Tomonjata, I knew lonne, ni Fabaka yeto kanunu, aba kelo la yena janding FNko babanna, voters card registration ababanna. Voters card registration jannabe banna abig about trial and everything pour ite gudak ya jena about trial ite wosoto ye voters card soto because ye kanule okay san Yaya Jammeh janjubede ifango janjubede ñunu ko ete tol kanule ñunu ko tol yete kanule kodi ni ñunu yete kanu yalon ko on the 12th of July will disqualify you to be a presidential candidate for APRC. APRC dingon sanya alila moy na jambang APRC dingon kamini fala alkana ke toleti comme ñi sirifo boja wol alkana ke toleti alkana ke nyama toti comme ñi sirifo boja wol ndetawol jabira wol mu toleleti man kendiya itol wuliya momo ka wuliya fa do itol ko wala support momo mala fi gambel do itol ko support so aman jari fay ka reply atol ni fam nyancho mani kana wor reply ñunu mu toleleti ñunu kungol tetale mol min kungol teta kaka wor reply APRC dingol nka diama tolle atol mi yalan kala Yaya Jammeh kan al fongoy si wande rek al yela mir al ye head bondal kono jawya mi ya dundal kono ka tandal ko UDP le man la falla o mu fan yalti baro le man la fal tolla baro wala man la fi APRC la kat ko baro le Yaya Jammeh la fengol beta okay nga jam fo sañ iko Lawyer Darboe yatinna Yaya Jammeh tina amuruna Lawyer Darboe yatinna cool bekata Jane commission and everything but be 2 years after Lawyer Darboe botaje utole Yaya Jammeh la kordata badingol bulu ya badingol fintindi korda do kono moltije itata ye beta ye wafi ye di sarhulole ye wafi sarhulole ya minka Adama Barrow support nga beje janne ye trakutol ta Yaya Jammeh trakuto wa tara Lawyer Darboe tije at the government kono 2 years time at a government kono so sign jumale jawyada APRC ñunu kanal nene APRC militants ñunu kanal nene la tole yal ni la hadume yala ani la jawyala I kanal nene wala ila wuliyali kamini fali ikanal nene wala ka fala ko APR 2 minutes be ready ni ko ba 22nd July 22nd a change la dron ngatanga keloke yelo bon Fatoumata Jahumba Cissé yo do de rus yo waxna la amna dara suma ko gene sa domi dinañ dé wana la nga bay wax bi moy ñaarel yoon ma ngay dégga sa wax yu nonsense yi ni wana la amna yo xam nga man xamna wana la nga bay di gena yaay jambur nga man duma dé bëgg disrespect jigen de way yangé li Gambia la man gisuma ko UDP so bëggé nga saga UDP so bëggé nga wa lu nekk UDP I don't care about that is nonsense I don't care about that well about Gambia di wane Gambia dina turu so ko ñaare la té nga ne di nga waxat so waxaté ma dégga sa wax bul ta ma dégga sa wax dina ruslo sa domi ñu dé dina ruslo yow sa bopa di dula jik dina la ruslo dina wax lo xamne waruma ko wax musuma ko wax jigen te dina la ko wax li moy ñaarel yoon man I'm talking about Gambia you cannot just sit here nonsense baro tamit nonsense mu ngi dégali ne deret dina turu IGP Sanyang you had this audio yeah you had this audio you must had it what did you do did you arrest her did you call her for questioning why do they think that there will be blocked that day you are changing Act 22nd how to call it that white elephant and that foolish Rambo Jatta I heard him saying that they will not if they are waiting for them to change that name. Rambo Jatta, you remember you were calling that beautiful house, you were calling it a white elephant, you were in UDP, isn't it? And all the UDP, I'm in UDP today, but I will tell the truth, you know, all the UDP that time they saying that was the most useless building Yaya Jammeh ever made. Rambo Jatta ite di amla no aj efen ko la di aj 22nd ite da sorong ida biti aj 22nd because ite lota janni APRC ñu ne kal nene le de Rambo Jatta le lota jang ako aj 22nd is a nonsense, it's a lost, it's economical crime for Gambia. Rambo Jatta le yo fo jam 16 years ago Rambo Jatta 4 years da malake APRC anin signing ala faje 6 years I mean ke APRC. But Rambo Jatta la lota jang ako I-22nd womu westleti wo is just a white elephant ito le ka command wala time o UDP le ka I-22nd command white elephant la we are all here manke dindinti manke toleti bi wole na ka ikale ko nka I-22nd le ikesi so lipa nka I-22nd le defend. Who are you? Who the hell are you? Go to hell. That name will change by force. What can you do? Nothing. They change Makati Square, go and do something there. They change Makati Square, go and do something there. They change Jammeh Foundation for Peace Hospital. They change it. Go and do something there. They fell down that unknown soldier. They bring it down to the ground. You don't do anything there. IGP Sanyang, Mbe Kumandila, Fatoumata Jahumba call, yes Sam Sar call, yeah, atondi, Fode Chor, ye call yeta tandila, yemine mean, yellow babonna. B ni UDP ni sabali le nyim fonum B albe sabali commandila questioning la ni talle nyim fonum albe tal commandila ay nana questioning la nata Ousainou Darboe le nyim kumo fonum albe Ousainou Darboe commandila na questioning la. Why not APRC militant ikafania keso da male falie ñunumang APRC kanu nko alsi APRC alsi ale relax bang aliasi alning ala tema aliasi aliela moy so te kamin fotek alingan la listina la bank alkana jube ko mbay UDP le albe kam faring kama no alkana o jube de ngal dani doron alsi aliye listin so te kamin fo futo nyalom fo fan yalom ba alsi aliye mira aliya fo so te akamin fo I genuine tele fama genuine aliasi aliya fo nyinin ka alning ala tema aliasi naturellement la ala alning ala Jesus tema aliasi aliye listin alfongola ali kwexono nyini kalfongola tonya ntola executive kabiri sita 4 years for B jumale nene tata equatorial Guinea kata ntola supreme leader kata kontong jumale wake ñunu be kono kabo Rambo Jatta Fabaka Tombong Jatta Samsar Ibu Jallow Lamin Tamba ñunu min be kan ñin crime ko li faletende ala fonye jumale nene tiketo jo hani mini beka diam Yaya Jammeh teng bele ta sonna nyina jumale nene tiketo jo itata equatorial Guinea ndemi yalon ko nga Yaya Jammeh bulale kabin 2015 on the 17 2015 nga Yaya Jammeh bulale I paid the ticket. I even asked for visa to Equatorial Guinea to go and see him. You know why? Because he did a good for me. But because of advices, that time, 2017-18, 2017-18, I wanted to go and visit him. I wanted to go and sit with him and reason with him. But people advised me, you could lose your life. They can poison you there, you die. Because he knows that you changed, you went against him. Me, monkey APRC militant, monkey executive. I have that plan. APRC dingol bijele mini alonko ye by APRC. I was in good touch with them, and I told them, I sent my visa to them. I said, I am going to Equatorial Guinea. 2018, I wanted to go to Equatorial Guinea to meet him, to chat with him. Because I couldn't do Kenya kunum. Because I couldn't mean Kenya kunum, Moma Kenya na dunia balu kono. But you mean baby wuruka be wele kang. Whoever tried to follow Yaya Jammeh in Equatorial Guinea or to go, nanga fale jam. Yaya Jammeh, Abama Abanta Janne, Alamani Manika Frekalai, Asombi, Abanta Janne, Kodi? Ye freni momana, and in flight cancel nata for Gambia. Okay, sign. Niatra Nyunu, Rambo Jata wall, Fabaka Tombon Jata wall, Samsar wall, Ibu Jallo wall, Fabaka Tombonjala, Nata Italia Yaya Jammeh Kanu, Ibemine Kalanu, Nintolom, Nintamu executive, Ni Yaya Jammeh APRC Carfantella, APRC Dingol, Alal Hakiltu, Nukanal Ke Lolti, Nukanal Mala, Nukanatina Aliafa, Alabama, the Jiking Altol, Alfama, the Jiking Altol, Ibafla, militants, Sol Alna Finti, Nana Keloke, it will be serious so conolde. Ninkido be faila, Ibe serious so conolde. Banjul dina, Dere Turu, Dere Bobo Turu, Ikatol le Wafide. Ibato le take ibal kala lol ning local lol ning isan solti ibe sila suwo konol de niatra tonya nyuni Yaya Jammeh kanule Yaya Jammeh bama fata janni kodi abe Equatorial Guinea. How many days like Equatorial Guinea janni ba sella non kana Gambia. One of them could sacrifice APRC ali misin janna ban tebuka tole ya fale de mbuga tole la fale de ali misin janna. One of them should sacrifice, or two of them from the executive. If I was the leader, that's what I'm going to do. Even though I cannot go, I will send two people. I said, Altambama Kamale Nafena. Altambama come up from Equatorial Guinea. Me flight jole. Yeta hani aba gerranye. Nga charter flight ke. Nga mo fulaki. Waram fongo ibule kono. Nga ta foje. Nga tambama kama nga nafena. Nga samba nga ta abade. Nga ta sutura. But none of them did this. Do they love Yaya Jammeh? Yaya Jammeh, did these people love you? Yaya Jammeh, can you reason still now? Are you that stupid still now? Your brain is that close still now? They love you. We love you. We love you. Your mother died here. None of them can have that thinking that, mbatunga tangata mero kama. Adamale bina anin keso adamale bina mota dandanano. Yaya Jammeh ta dandanano. Ndemi mu party leader ti. Warana assistano. Warana deputy. Warana PRO. Nyeki. Wara Ibu Jallo wulo mi be diamu kan tubabu dujang wara ning atondi fode chor mi be wula aka wura fon ko tole abe jimala butela ñunu mi be ka wuri be jimala butela no ni jimala lola physical fight ye bute wo mota kering ibe fan yala fo ka ngale APRC ngami fale alsi doro ngami be fale APRC minister alsi relax, don't hate me for that. I'm telling you the truth. Hate me for I'm UDP. I betrayed Yaya Jammeh. Yes, I have to betray a killer. I cannot love a killer. I cannot sympathize for a killer. I cannot do that. Ngaje model be call messenger. Number bijele na lafa call kala because in 8 minutes time I will end the program. I'm going to work. I don't want to come too late to work. Number bijele, if you want to call and make quick 2 minutes, you can call. 8 minutes. I have 8 minutes to leave this studio right now. 8 minutes now. So momo ngaje dolbe call la messenger. Please nale call messenger nto chikala no because messenger but the same mobile on come use. So momo la for call kala sign. The line is open. There is a number there you can call. If you touch your mobile screen, you will see the number. You can call. But embedding APRC call. Nka diama tolle dukare. Mbal danila. Somebody is cool. Nka tolle dani. Fatumata Jawpa Cissé dafa fen dafa dul. Dafa fen dafa dul du fi mun dara Sam Sarr dafa fen dafa dul duñ mun dara lu tax itol muna ne me dingol findini na ala fa ko okay ntol be join lal kan APRC ngat so example la alafu ñu ne ko alafu ñu ne ko alafu Fatuma Jahumpa wole ko sañ ntol mbe join la ni yelo ba bonna ni yelo ba bonna mbe join la mbe join la kan no problem but sañ le fal ya dingol commande mi be tubabu ali na fina ni a 20 seconds ni a to change le fal ya dingol be mi be tubabu wala fa ko be nanan ni join ali ya jube febo kala le bang ali ya jube bang febo kala le ñunu buka maluway mu tol la banko kan atol buka fenduwaje ye mol ba man Fatma Jahumpa yo do de rusway yo do de rus billahi yo amulo yermande yo jigen nga yo ngane jigen way man joxna la last sotwati so waxate affaire he mun nga support APRC mun nga wax Yaya Jammeh lu baax lum def Gambia mun nga ko wax no problem way so mistake wati ngane he dina am Gambia dina tout Gambia ñun Gambia ñota ñu taxaw de Gambia ñota ñu yexe Adama Barrow de because luy dem Gambia dekku di dem suma la déggee waati nga wax he dina am Gambia dina tour Gambia because of useless Yaya Jammeh yo jigéen nga Yaya Jammeh jël na fi wax naa la am naa sa secret boo xam ne su ma ko waxee du la jig de di nga deede am naa sa secret su ma ko waxee am naa sa secret su ma ko waxee billahi du la jig de yow xam nga man xam naa du la jig noppil du la jig waxal gaa ñu génnee seen doom yi Europe ñu indi leen Fatoumatta Jahumpa Ceesay génneel sa doom yi Europe nga indi leen génneel sa doom yi Amérique nga indi leen Samsat am na ay doom wax leen ko mu indi seen doom ñu taxaw ngeen xee Yaya Jammeh tay ni hakkilo la ngamin be fo jang iben jube kan de ngamin be fo jang imira la ba iba ma fata jang kabri iba ma banta none of these people have it in their mind if they love you I mean the love they are claiming if it is true your mother died nobody escorted her from Equatorial Guinea to Gambia they just send the cops like that nobody in their right mind they loves you in their love heart tells you that okay we are wait for a moment we are coming to take our mother fly with her to Gambia nobody does that none of them think about it ñu ni min beba wuru kam fone chor wol lombang perminte wol lombang who thought about this they have the money okay maybe perminte we can excuse him he said it right out I have no money right now I'm not working maybe that one we can excuse him but Fabakary Tombong Jatta is giving $500,000 every month from Adama Barrow in your name Rambo Jatta is giving $500,000 every month from Adama Barrow in your name don't you know that Yaya Jammeh Adama Barrow is compensating you they didn't tell you that APRC ngano ko nyimbe kala newsletter altol yade ngano ko nyimbe kala newsletter altol yade but they are compensating APRC executive they are compensating them in the name of Yaya Jammeh they are not telling you people do you think that Suleiman Single Nyasi is lying is not lying do you think that Nabu Saho is lying is not lying they are telling you we all know this they are compensating Fabakary Tombong Jatta. They are compensating Rambo Jatta. They are every month they are paying them cash. That's why these people. Ali alominati na nyunu imambo baronoma. Hani bibe baronoma. Ikafanya fali. Ala yidin kabang. Ala feko kaito bondi. Yalong bank ni era bank buko sorong. Ni era bank buko sorong. Al duduja al turbuke la mo yalla mol fongla. Falman duduja la interview mo. Durujala interview aliya mo ila ko minat niaje koy mang Yaya Jammeh la moto kuwol kelenan niaje ko ima Yaya Jammeh niaje itol mala moto la kuwol kele niaje mang imal la moto kuwol kele because of Yaya Jammeh moto tale abe use kan illegally and wol ko tele APRC le kanude itol ko be APRC kelo la de natara wolba APRC kelola imantere fongola kelola natara Yaya Jammeh ni sin kamin foy jade ñu betela kelola why comes Dudu Jabita Sila in a TV in an online media saying that ko ite motol tale ye purchase illegally, ye do the system okono illegally, they have no paper. So those cars, they cannot fight for it. Those cars, they cannot fight for it. Hey, ntol kumante, ntol tata karamoto and karanta Sweden jam. Man Gambia for the Gambia, man karawoto. But Sweden jam, we did school. We went to school for 5 good years. We are going to school. Nkumoli yeletan karanta ngakuole katanyami. So sign Dudu Jakate APRC Kanule. Akate Yaya Jamme Kanule. Why Dudu Ja is saying that ko Yaya Jamme purchased those pickups for illegally? And that is a lie. Yaya Jamme never purchased that for illegal. I have those cars. It was not purchased illegally. They were bought from TK Motors. Those pickups were bought from TK Motors. It was not illegally purchased. But Dudu Ja, who said that he loves Sambu Junior, thank you very much. You can vote, no problem. I'm not saying that you don't vote for APRC. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying that your executive is saying that they're going to use people, you people to go and kill yourself when they change 22nd, Act 22nd, they change the name from Act 22nd to another name. They're going to use you people to go and kill yourself. This is what I'm talking about. I'm not saying don't vote for APRC. Vote for APRC. That is your choice. I'm not going to vote for APRC. Even I'm going to vote. That is your choice. I don't deny anybody supporting APRC. It's your fundamental human right to support any party you want to support. Support them. Support anybody you want to support. No problem. But when I'm telling you, Gambia, Fatmata yo sakubonga yo bugulo Gambia. Fatmata jahumba sise yo danga bon. Yo yaibu bonga. Yen dolen duga ajana billahi. Kuy taw di wane head na am suma rew parce que dañ bëgga change just touri White House bobu non. White Elephant Rambo Jatta mo don wane July lifin bi aj bi July 22nd aj bi mu ne bobu White Elephant la Rambo moko daan wax ñun ñu ngi won APRC suñu waxe suñu development bi ñu wa aj 22nd bi Rambo la day wane hey bu leen lii du development lii White Elephant la Rambo loolu la doon wax tey la Rambo di door denaam di wax ne Rambo di door denaam di wax ne suñ project la Rambo wawato ite manta APRC ite ko command White Elephant la you were not there. We were the one who are proud of it. You were against it. You said it's a big economical loss for Gambia. They could have built that. They could have built that. You were saying this, Rambo. This is a fact. You were not in APRC. You were in fact in UDP those days. We are the one who could beat our chest and said that you don't dare to change. You don't dare change that name. I could say that. I have the right to say that because I was in APRC. I was supporting Yaya Jammeh for more than 19 good years. I was doing that. Rambo, ite Yaya Jammeh support in just 5 years. 5 years. Just 5 years. You joined in APRC when? 2012. 2012. You joined APRC. I could beat my chest and say that that name will never change. I can do that because I was in support of it. You were calling it a White Elephant because that's what all UDP were calling Act 22nd. White Elephant tolom. White Elephant tolom. Ye mola kodo be tinyanje. Isa nyindu nino lopitano to. Isa nyindu nino silol to. UDP ngol kanyinefo. Ite Rambo ntol nite keloke bakaule. Ninko APRC ye nyineke. Ika fo faniyalom. Allah ajo. Ite Rambo. Ika fo Allah ajo. White Elephant from. It doesn't. Ite bibo defend la no nyadi. If it was a White Elephant, how can you say you will defend it with your blood? APRC militant. Let these nonsense people not use you. Coming to that, to my ending, I invited Lamin Jai. Don't worry, I will block him right now. This Sirifo Bojang, he's not clever. He's very stupid. Don't worry, I will block him. I will allow you to debate, but if you insult, I will block you. I will block your ass off here. Lamin Jai Fatu Network. I invited you for a debate or an interview. You don't render it to me. You don't want to give it to me. But Lamin Jai, Fatu Network, you are a sellout. I'm not denying that. I am not saying that you don't have to support a political party. You have right. Anybody to say that a journalist doesn't have to support a political party, that is a lie. Even in Europe, we have journalists supporting a political party. We have journalists supporting a political party. So that is a lie to say that you cannot support a political party when you are a journalist. That is a lie. I will say that right out here. That is a lie. You can support any political party you want of your choice. Lamin Jai, we don't deny that. We don't deny that. You can do that. But you cannot go and hide. Lamin Jai, we nte ngalon a long time kabiring ijonta Abubakar Jawara la payroll kono. Abubakar Jawara is the one sponsoring anything. Abubakar Jawara even is going to buy a car and give it to you. This we all know. We are just waiting for the time. Ala yake time oni nata afindi tena. Imagine. Yalo alako. Yalo alto lanya takamena onasanko Adama Barrow ata make lano. Hani UDP madwade. Hani UDP wota ganyela. But Adama Barrow ta ganyela no. Amam possible. Umam possible. Munatina ala ka science le bondi. Ala fembuka nuno. Feng Adama Barrow kabe nula rok aka fintile. Mbadi Gambia non alga carte tika nga fay UDP nga nyimma sakunda kurumo bondi jam man time osoto wala nam tadi amano Lamin Jai la bake bal Lamin Jai lafte nyinin kala minna ite ko itata MC yalla Abubakar Jawara la programme auto woman ke MPP fanialti that announcement they said MPP and Abubakar Jawara family are having program lafte nyinin kala nyinela ite ta après tout le monde moy MPP and Abubakar Jawara family are going to have a program, a dinner or a lunch. You had this. So don't come here on your page to lie that I went there as an MC. As a journalist, an independent journalist, you should have not even take that job. Why should you take a job of an MC? You are not an MC. How can you take a job of an MC? Of somebody, a criminal, who bought a gun and bring it in our country? You yourself asked that person, why did you brought that guns to the country? You brought bullets to that country. You asked that person, a criminal. You want to go and do MC for a criminal who is ready to fight and kill Gambians for anyhow. Lamin Jai, faniyabula, wuliyabula. Lamin Jai, if on respect. If on respect. If on respect, Lamin Jai. You cannot just sit here. You cannot just sit here. Hey, Sajature, yo, that is nonsense. Ila woman nonsense leti. How can I be ashamed of myself? People who are against Allah, they repent to Allah. People who are against Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they repent to Abu Bakar Kaminimoy, Abu Bakar Siddiq wal, Fenke wal, Atondi, Omar wal Kaminimoy. They were against Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They went to the extent of killing him. Later they changed. He took it up. So we supported Yahya Jammeh when he came 1994. Which Gambian doesn't support Yahya Jammeh? So stop that nonsense and insult telling us we should. You should be ashamed of yourselves writing this. That is nonsense coming out from your mouth as a UDP supporter. As a UDP supporter, I told most people, I'll be UDP, but you are sipped in a wood clothing. Anybody want good for UDP, you are standing on their way. You want to destroy UDP. Anybody supporting UDP from another party, you are kind of the people who don't want those people to come. You are sipped in the wood clothing. You should be ashamed of yourself. We are in the same party. I'm telling history. You are now telling me that I should be ashamed of myself supporting Yahya Jammeh. Are you stupid? Can't you reason? Yes, I was supporting Yahya Jammeh for 19 good years. So what? Which Gambian can beat his chest and said I never supported him? When Yahya Jammeh come 1994, even Lawyer Dabo supported Yahya Jammeh. So let's stop this nonsense. Then Lawyer Dabo also should be ashamed of himself. That's what you are telling me. Lawyer Dabo also should be ashamed of himself. So stop this nonsense here. Ibe UDP. Understand? I joined UDP today. So today that this nonsense I delete. It's a nonsense. It's a nonsense. Delete it. Then tell Lawyer Dabo to be ashamed of himself. If you're telling me that I have to, he supported Yahya Jammeh in 1994. He supported Yahya Jammeh. He helped Yahya Jammeh. This is the truth. So don't come here and tell me nonsense. Don't come here and tell me nonsense. You are in UDP. I told most people I'm UDP. UDP never do away with you kind of people. UDP have to do away with you, Sajo Ture. UDP should have do away with you people. You are the one who blocking people to join UDP, to give UDP votes. You are destroying for UDP. Telling me you're this nonsense. Ani ala molle ka against I change ya support ko denki. Ibuleta no me alon ka talon alati. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam molle against left fala ay alon ko nyulle left fala. They turn and support him and help him to spread his deen. So we were young. I was very young when I was supporting Yahya Jammeh. I was like maybe 16, 17 years when I was supporting Yahya Jammeh. So don't come here and tell me nonsense. Or maybe 15 years I was even. So you coming here telling me you're this nonsense. Kana more confounded. Ito ka UDP the support. Ito ka UDP the support. You telling me this nonsense. Otombading API sinkol. Binata nanjang. Binata nanjang. Purka diama tolle. Ali Fatoumata Jahumpa Sisela. Ibrahim Sol Sanyan, thank you very much. Narajane Pruka Fatoumata. We will play this audio too. Sorry, I have an audio here. Nyimboda MPP Dingolea. Nyimboda MPP Dingolea and the Nimu MPP Ding Kelde Kendolti. Near MPP Kanule. Bari I Gambia Leje. I Gambia Leje Nimboyo Minka Diamuteng Lamin Kan. APRC lo, FNColum, NPP lo. Bari I Gambia Le Kanu, Lafa Gambia no be Aria Marco Tentin. But Lamin Jai. So stop fooling Gambians. You cannot fool us. It's a more minimum karang. It's a wole fool. But itan tol fenkelano. Itan tol fool lano. Thank you, Hadi Chati Sire. Thank you, Hadi Chati Sire. Thank you. Okay, Lamin Sonko, no problem. You can disagree with that, but the whole Gambia know that. You can disagree however you want, but the whole Gambia know what I said is true. You can disagree, no problem. No problem. You can disagree, but the whole there is evidence there. There is everything there. So you can say anything you want. Hadijite, thank you very much. We will listen to this audio. Lamin Khan, he's a MPP supporter, and he stands for Gambia. He loves Gambia. Lamin Jai, you cannot destroy yourself and want to put people in that. Itele be fenkala buko kono. Itele be nyina fenko kono atondi. Payroll kono. That criminal Abubakar Jawara, he's a criminal. He's a killer. He killed people in Congo. If you don't know, I will tell you that. He have bought weapons and put it in Congo war. People kill each other. Blood. There are blood on Abubakar Jawara's hand. Monsa Nyimfoyeno. Lamin, I want you to know this. There are bloods on Abubakar Jawara's hand because he smuggled guns and everything in Congo Kinshasa, for them to fight. So they brought blood. He's a criminal. I will say today, I will say tomorrow, Abubakar Jawara, I want you to take me to court. Okay? You are a criminal, a high profile criminal. Abubakar Jawara. And Lamin Jai, you are in his payroll. Lamin Jai, you can support MPP anyhow you want. Let's listen to this MPP supporter and we will end the program there.
Assalamu alaikum. Fabusani fans club Molimbari Bekuntu. Fabusani fans club Molimbari Bekuntu Nambal Tendula Mbal Jaila. Comme media moment fokan. Perjane mbeduna diamo kono ron ko me topiko nyinati ne kafo ko bakare kamara be balankan ne comme ko lundawn kana kayto sudo. Bakare kamara te balanna doron kaje ko lundawn ni nyili kana kayto sudo. Ate balanna wonya. There must be a reason behind. Banko din kendo nyanda sonnala banko to le banko din kendo nyanda la banko kanula le banko din kendo manyanna kala banko tinya kala banko kasara ale nyim bolal la kul kono ale dama nyina mammen understand mure ba ken lundown be dundi no la na system o kono nyaadi na froya kan fa bu sane ko fan ko to mo le mbali ñin ka kan wala funtal yo foñ go ñim bere fa ko maya ta bakele ñim bere fa mu fennati mi yalon ko na foro ya kam mbita kan wala di kam mola so manyen na mol soto la mene be la lan kan iman ken na banko moti ani man na banko la kay to sura nyama talbo ko njira ite ko kiyan ko la ngil beti bare wolbe sirin kiyan kabri tele wuluta kiyan fe na bula fo sanji tan anin sai bare ngola maximum nyindi mona kene man kay to do soto itel ma identification kay to do soto min be tele identified la ke ko comme ko kiyan ko leti le man ID card soto man baf certificate to soto fo dire kana baf certificate to ta talbo ko njira alinga na banko je alinga na banko e kasaram bulo kono kombe baro le fasala o kombe Usain Dabo le fasala mbe Khalifa Sala le fasala o mbe Mama Kande le fasala alin kana sonna banko e kasara alin kana na banko ci kan ka dun dun tawn bulo kono na banko frentira be dun kal dun tawn de bulo kono bi ajube ba membe ke kan banko kan bi talibo ko njira jom ala laftola kono del gambe de ma ñil long al file banko fela be dun abe tala dumandi be dun dun tawn bulo kono balen selfish interest people only many yalan ko they are self-centered people itali man so fe ninja fe kun kolola interest o ale nga bula maka nyaabe fana na lay fana bena kay be fa fero ke kam maka magam yudi pinkole ibe mem fo kan yudi pinkole ko nyin koma yudi pinkole mandare la patito bara I congratulate you nge congratulate wala pakle banko de nyanta lola ala banko en yudi pinkole be lori la banko en atele enti pinkul fanal furi ali lo alla banko e ala bo tulal lu down la mo fula lu down nyanda register la fal man la fanna bang ko yude pinkul be la ri fanna nyame ko jedi si be la ra fanna nyame ala kan lu down register nal be la ra fanna nader baro al be la ren baro la baro will why do you want to register why ka support ede be mem fo kan de ko yude pinkul la katara ko nyin challenge la wato watani banko din keddo nyanta challenge la makam banko din kendo manyen na sonna ala banko bitala bula kasaro kono anyabala lundaw be mulla banko bula kan kasaro kono lundaw be mulla banko murundi kan koma ado no banko tinyata ite makay dewle bo banko kan nde dewle bo banko kay beta minto ba lundaw wol be murule la banko kan fabu sane France global fundale nyin konde mala yitande en pipin kol na ko lundaw men yalan koy mankay to soto yeda bondina pebere fa o kono alkakar nyum fasa bakare kamara men yalon kal ba to nyin kanyin forumo nyin kono ngasa fero nyin jele nte ba tentula be bakare kamara nyin tentula kyan ko la fokko ke e pour député le mbam foy da munam ba be tentula baka baraka nyina mo banko di yati balande ha kayto tambe ni bro konal yalon koy ba du ibe lefte dunde la système mo nyin kono tapale yal balang gambe no dal be balang baral bala al yakani luwala ali yey sambal wanya terimuna munam nyinti talabo ko jira mo nyinti maka atel ko lun down al tarika waya al katal la lun down la al kanaf ko lun down ye register mo la banko kam why moy wulu banko kam fayta sanji tanni say ID card to table ba so tiketo ba table ko ha sago an wul ka flo ko nim ba so tiketo ni nyin ID card ito malon ko o fana mu fenne daka aka fenne dundi man sakundala namo kono wala man sakundala ala ranke so kono so nim banko dem be sida man pass worota man ID card ta man ba so tiketo ta mbe ko rodu ndi no la na ranke so kono nyaati parentel la immigration wol man dar do kula immigration la do kula nyim bet hane banko dem ni muta kayda te block kono ye samba ye sindi dula kelimtu sini be ibe wuru la dita fonkota payte kana fanya talabo ko nyire ka fanya ko wol be mu kiyam ko le kiyam fulul mi kiyam fulo ete wulu bo banko kam fo sanji tan anin say to de sanji tan ta banen fen sanji tan nan nin fen bi le kana sula al karola attestation on ngo to nyato ko koto to nyata ko koto ali nga to nya funyoy deman na ka baro fasante de na banko le nimbe banko fasa kam be baro la fasa kam bar me yalon ko be nyanta kondam la be ya kondam en pipin ko ngateli je atelebe bambande nyin ko wato watendal ba fala lu ndaw nyanta register la vraiment la problème o tal man la fanna ko be gagné la ale baro nene la woto mo tal bloquer say nal be baro nene kan ko lu ndaw se nanya baro gagné ko de so law banko kande ani banko de la foro ya account no nyimpi nyimbu foro ya account ti o foro ya account nimbe baro murundi la nan ko kay sinje avec la banko de la foro ya account ati kala lu ndaw la foro ya account de te jakal ta tele NPP kullal te ati fa ko al benaka nyoborola al belare al benaka nyoborola je al tel meddu mu gambe non le dal te gambe dol fana nyini na men ba alla dala mutala alla pati la dala mutal paradel ko lu ndaw paral bo fo kanko pare ni moli ya konde matel ko atel ko anyande kala de ali ya komple ko anyande kala wol gambe de wulle bari bakar kamara dum bo jele nyande wol wuluta banko ka do banko de wulle muyti bakar kamara e balanga ya fo ko isi ito kayto ito votes ka to soto to bakar e dolo ni ama dolo mi wo al fanani al fuddale nyin ko konde mi NPP ko al fatar lun tawni ma lun tawni alal da bonde banko nyina foro ya account wallahi asi problème on atindi ne lu dawlu dam mutay be buutele fe fa bari alla ambassadeur be diamu talan duna fanam be diamu dan kale ecomo plaf nam funko nyaton ko fanam moy adu wala marta konko bantala banko ni duna bampa african banko ni ile tanko bunda ko wala ka diamu te akol lu dawni yeda bonde mulla funko na foro account même man sakunda ta manyalo wala ka jigel lu down wala kanale ya e kataro da daka lu dawno yokoro ko di soto bi gambe ika sambe yale gambe do na alla banko kanu alla banko je albula to nyanoma ale bo bata ko no
ala baraka babe mini banyen ka kan jumalom nyimmanoti is Lamin Khan MPP forum Lamin Khan lom nyinti MPP supportalom atum Lamin Khan neti atela be nyin diamo fokan diamo mi yalon ko sahayata diamo mi yalon ko aba fokan gambenulla Lamin Fofana here is very cold these days. We are having rain, and when it is raining it is very cold. Yes, badingol baltentulam bal jaila ala baraka bake Toure boyo atomu Lamin Khan neti MPP la Lamin Khan ate fanamu MPP support la balti ayala forum soto la fansum forum soto le Lamin Khan MPP forum so ay nying audio da ay do ni MPP forum ol bele to kata ni lako ñinnom banko di yaate ñimmu banko di forolti Lamin Khan ay Gambia kanule ay Gambia ay Gambia di ya ala ay dafa so Gambia dingol be nyanta kala ñinnati mbalten to mbal jeyla alama ala yambe so Cairo la alama Cairo mela alama Cairo sabati la Gambia tolminde kelola prungaje ko adama man sakunda la man sakunda e bondije alama alayna natol timmandi alman tankala seytano la ani seytano mol alman tankala nafikol la ani wulol alman tankala seytano mol la alma na Cairo sabatindila alma Cairo sabatila Gambia alma alayn tanka kelol la ani molba min kurukuru kan kaje ko yelo bon Gambia alma alay dimba faje alma alaya dimba fa alma alay wol be dubeng mini bañin seytano ko kurukuru kan Gambia alma alay dubeng ntol UDP na hamem ko mi tani Gambia dingol la hamem ko mo minti mbe ala danila pour ala so kenye wolom on the 5th of December lawyer Ousainou Darboe ya foko atolom Gambia president oti IEC la chairman o announce ko lawyer Ousainou Darboe atolom banko dingol ye kateta ya fayatele alama ale nanatol timmande baba Ousainou alama ale so si jombala nin jata kendia pour Gambia dingol December isela julojo alama alakane kurang alama alakane sasa alama alakane kirikiri alama alakane fango bondi fango bulu alama ale fango tu fango bulu for December on the 4th nga quartier faye yedung state ngedandan state house yedung state house be ala dan la nyinnella ay tumbulu folo fo signa wati jamba ilafta Gambia sambala dami Alhaji Ousainou Darboe alama alaye oke alama alaye sawke alama alaye ke president oti alama alaye Gambien kol kango bendi ye quartier ota ya dila December fo isa ke president oti andum ala be okela inshallah nabuda ala balamba salol lamba dual lamba fengo be kala pour ala se ke president oti lumin na Gambia kono ka Gambia falinye ka Gambia dinan lafta Gambia min sifala alama alaye te kan no nyaton koti ko Gambia sifa dina ala baraka bake al intela bale jang Fode Jawara wala mun na nyaton koti UDP TV and media mbe molbe kontona hadi Demba wol Jaray Sane wol Alan Smith wol ML Darboe wol Sana Jaji wol mbebe tentula mini be kanaje kadiamu timala wato wol mbe mobe kontona Fatoumata Danso wol Sekou Sedili wol Bamba Mas wol mbe mobe tentula mbe jahila ila do ku nyimale be minke kan pour baba Ousainou pour ala yake president wati December alama ale wo kenyen tol gambe dingol wala bakala na kairoti alfinti alita carte o nyini aliyadi baba Ousainou Dabola ala baraka assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah